Dexter, come here and open your July 2021 Barkbox. Come here, honey. He's like, what's going on? What do you think? Anything good in here? So his July 2021 Barkbox finally got here. I think it got lost in the mail for a bit or something. He just ran away with one of the toys. Well, he didn't run, he slowly walked away. But this month's theme is Space Jam. And so Barkbox is a monthly dog treat and toy subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and I have been getting it since October of last year, and I love it for Dexter. This is the small dog box because Dexter is a Chihuahua mix, but you always get 2 bags of treats. So these ones he likes. He likes every single treat that he's actually gotten from Barkbox, but he's had these before, the turkey recipe gobble jerky bars. And these ones look different actually. Toon Squad treats, turkey recipe. Very nice. These are big bags of treats. He goes through about 1 a month, and I use them for practicing his tricks and his training, and they are great for that. And you also get a chew in each box. So this month he got the pumpkin and honey recipe small chew. It's a little, looks like little sticks. And you get 2 toys in each box, and this one's so cute, the Tweety Bird. Dexter loves his Barkbox toys. They are really good quality, and he is constantly playing with them. He went upstairs, so I don't know if he'll come back down to show you the other toy, but actually in here it shows all of the different toys. So the other one he got was the Bugs Bunny, but such cute options this month. Every month has such adorable themes and just such cute details to the toys on top of being such good quality. So I love this subscription for him. And unfortunately, he's being camera shy today. Hey, honey, come here. But his Barkbox unboxing videos are always very quick. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in my next video.